In the past, we'd seen maybe 5 years ago, you'd see as many people talking about going from Photoshop to the web or Sketch. We hear Figma more than anything by a long shot. It's a dominant platform. But the reason we work with so many of our customers and they prefer using faster is they could take a platform that feels like Figma, that's as powerful as Figma, and go directly to their site without developer handoff, without waiting for that cumbersome process. But still, they've got 5 years worth of brand assets in Figma. They have a working model that's very based on Figma. Sometimes you're working with third-party agencies that currently speak Figma. And we wanted to make it seamless to go from those assets, that starting point, get that content into faster where it really belongs. Those should all come in seamlessly. So day one, hour zero that you start working with faster front end, you have everything you've ever created. And now that's part of your palette. And you could just start using the platform.